welcome back to Let's Cook That. Today, it's only me, Myra. Marissa, she's not here today. She has a busy schedule, work, school, so you guys have me today. That's cool. Today, I'm gonna make some chicken noodle soup. Very easy, my way, with rotini noodles. And if you guys, I already have the chicken cooked, but if you wanna see how I cook my chicken to get the chicken broth, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link of a video that I already showed you guys how to do it. But for right now, we're gonna have some celery, carrots, onion, garlic, chicken, the chicken broth, parsley, and if you have fresh parsley, I will recommend it. I don't have any today, so I'm gonna use dried parsley, and some caldo de pollo. I'm gonna have it because sometimes I do add a little bit to it if it needs more flavor, but if it doesn't need more flavor, you don't need it. Noodles of your choice. I like to use the rotinis. I feel like they're more firm so they don't get so soggy and nasty. And we're gonna go ahead and cut this up and then I'll show you how to put everything together. Okay, so now that we have everything cut and ready to go, I have my pot preheated with a little bit of olive oil, my garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there. And the onion that I had, I diced it very little, fine little ones. We're gonna go ahead and saute for like a minute or less than a minute. So you don't want your garlic to burn, so less than a minute, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our carrots, and we'll let it cook for another minute or two, and then after that, we're gonna add our celery. Now, our celery in the pot, and we'll saute everything together for another 2 minutes. Now that it's been about 4 minutes all together, everything, we're gonna go ahead and put in our broth, our chicken broth. If you have leftover chicken from like roasted chicken or any other kind of chicken, and then you want to buy the store-bought chicken broth, that's fine, but it's always better to make your own broth. I did put in right now 4 cups, but I have more, so I'm gonna add 2 more cups of chicken broth, and then you're gonna add like 2 cups of water. So I added 6 cups of chicken broth. I need more broth, so I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. If you have enough broth, that's fine, but I'm gonna add 2 cups of water just so I can get more of that soup. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the parsley. If you have fresh, you could use fresh, you could use both. I did both. And I forgot to mention black pepper. Put black pepper in it too. It tastes really good. And then at this time, we're gonna stir it. And then you're gonna taste it. Let me see. If you think it's perfect of flavor, that's fine. If you feel that it needs more salt or more chicken flavor, go ahead and add a little bit of the chicken flavor. I have it in powder. I'm gonna add just a little bit because I did add a little bit of water. And then I'm gonna go ahead and let the veggies, I'm gonna cover it up, put it to medium. I'm gonna let it come to a boil like for 10 minutes. Alrighty, so it's been about 10-12 minutes, and this is already boiling with our veggies. And at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and add the noodles. I'm making around like for 6 bowls of chicken noodle soup, but usually I use wheat, but they didn't have wheat at the store, so this is what I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add like 3 handfuls because I want more chicken than noodles. Here, I'll put 4 because my hands are not that big. But I added 4 of the handfuls of the noodles, and the box does say on the instructions, it says to cook for 7 minutes. But what I'm gonna do is go ahead and cover it up and let this cook for like 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, I'm gonna add the chicken. So let's go ahead and cover this up, let it come to a boil once again, let it cook for 5 minutes because you don't want to overcook your noodles either. And then you want the chicken to get all the flavor of, you know, the chicken broth. So let's go ahead and wait for this to come to a boil once again, and then we'll continue. So it's been 5 minutes, And our noodles are still in here. They're not ready yet, but we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken. Oh, I burned myself. Oh, you guys. You guys can shred it, cut it in little cubes, however you want. I cut it in cubes, some of them are shredded. But we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken. That smells so good. And if you have fresh parsley, it's even better. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up one more time. And we're gonna let it cook for another 45 minutes. Just so the pasta could, you know, finish cooking, and then the chicken could get all the flavor of everything together. And this is almost done and it smells great. Okay, you guys, let's uncover this. And as you can see, many of you might say, oh, the noodles are not completely cooked, but guess what? They're cooked for me, because like I'm not gonna eat it right now. I'm gonna leave it in the pot. They're gonna finish cooking in the pot. Alrighty, so I turned off my soup. I left it with the lid closed for about 5-6 minutes for my noodles to finish cooking, because then if you leave it on, they overcook. You don't want that, because if you reheat it, they don't get too good in there. But anyways, let me show you guys. Oh, by the way, I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. So if you guys like them, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Or maybe I said it wrong. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. But you guys get the point. Let's serve this soup because this smells amazing, you guys. Let's serve it. It's very good homemade chicken noodle soup with rotini, my way. But I hope you guys enjoy it. But look at, oh my God, this looks so good, you guys. Very, 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 very tasty. The flavor, very good, very hot. But enjoy it with some lemon, some hot sauce, some avocado on soups. Yes, if you guys haven't tried avocado on soups or caldo de pollo, caldo de res, especially on caldo de pollo, it tastes really, really good. But I hope you guys enjoy, and it's still hot out there, but in the afternoons it gets a little cold, so it's perfect for a little chicken noodle soup. If you don't want noodles in it, because you want to use the soup as a dinner, like if you're, you know, changing your lifestyle of eating, that you don't want pasta or something, just don't add the noodles and just add the chicken, and believe me, it's a very, very good soup. So thank you for watching, you guys, and see you next time on Let's Cook That.